I'm gonna be honest. I have no clue how I'm gonna fix this shoe. What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. You already see what we got today. For those of you who didn't see the last video, quick flashback. So, slight problem. I completely destroyed this shoe. As you can see, this color is really bad. This is like a lime, and I was trying to get the turquoise to try and match the can. So, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, now you're caught up to speed. We got 15 likes within a week, so as promised, I'm gonna try to fix these Nike sewage plant monstrosities. Just like last time, I am gonna be trying to go with the Arizona green tea theme for the shoe. I just thought to myself, any problem caused by spray paint can be fixed with spray paint. So boys, the first step is gonna be covering the upper in this teal spray paint. Alright boys, we're back inside and the shoe is painted up in that really scrumptious light bluish green. I really like the way the paint came out, and I wish that I could have done this the first time, but I guess it worked out because I got 2 videos out of it, right? Since most of the big stuff is done, really all we have to do is work on the detail. Alright boys, the shoe is done, so let's pop the laces back in and take a look at the finished product. Now this is what I wanted last time. Let's just go through like a quick rundown of the details and everything. So there's a lot of gold accents on this shoe, like collar, both Nike swooshes, and toe guard. As you can see on the very front of the shoe, you got those cherry blossoms. I think that's pretty nice. Pink laces, 99 cents on the back. One of my favorite details on the shoe is the thing on the top of the tongue. We got that little soda tab, just like the top of the can. All in all, I think these turned out really great, and this is exactly what I wanted to happen last time. I'll show you guys a little Cash Corp before and after match. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below what I should do with this shoe, and if I like it, I just might do it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for more Cash Corp videos. Cash Corp signing off. Bye boys.